You need $100,000 in 6 months to build an app, right? Wrong. In 2026, startups are launching in weeks with budgets under $1,000. Let me show you how. The no-code explosion. The numbers are staggering. Over 75% of new applications in 2026 are built using no-code or low-code tools. We're talking about a $44.5 billion industry that's democratizing entrepreneurship. But here's what most people miss. This isn't just about building websites anymore. Companies like Divvy Homes use no-code to reach a $2 billion valuation. Comet built their entire IT marketplace on Bubble and raised $13 million. These aren't toy projects. They're real businesses solving real problems. The money you'll save. Traditional app development costs between $40,000 and $300,000. A single developer's salary can push you past $200,000 before your app even launches. No-code platforms? You're looking at $300 to $2,000 annually. That's a savings of up to 97%. Development time drops from 3 to 12 months down to just a few weeks. Teal HQ, a career management platform that raised $6.3 million, built their entire MVP on Bubble. The founder had zero coding experience. Picking your platform. Here's the critical decision you need to make. If you're building a marketing site or landing page with beautiful design and strong SEO, Webflow is your answer. But if you need user accounts, databases, payment processing, or any back-end logic, you need Bubble. Think of it this way. Webflow is for showing, Bubble is for doing. In 2026, platforms like Glide and Adalo have also made mobile app development accessible to anyone. Some founders are even using AI to describe what they want in plain English, and the platform builds the entire application automatically. Your first steps. Start with a minimum viable product. Don't build everything at once. Pick one core problem your app solves and build only that. Choose your platform based on what you actually need, not what sounds impressive. Spend a few hours learning the basics through free tutorials. Most platforms have drag-and-drop interfaces that work like Canva or Excel. You're arranging elements, connecting data, and setting up logic step by step. No syntax errors, no debugging, no deployment headaches. Build your first version in days, not months. Then test it with 5 to 10 real users and get their feedback. When no code isn't the answer. Let's be honest about the limitations. No-code platforms have guardrails. If you need highly customized complex logic, extensive video processing, or deep integration with legacy systems, traditional coding might be necessary. You're also somewhat locked into your platform's ecosystem. Migrating can be difficult because you don't own the underlying source code. And if you're building something that needs to scale to millions of users with split-second performance requirements, you'll eventually need custom development. But here's the thing. Most startups never reach that scale. And even if you do, you can rebuild with code once you have revenue and users. Starting with no code gets you to market faster, validates your idea cheaper, and lets you iterate based on real feedback. The 2026 advantage. The timing has never been better. AI-powered no-code tools are everywhere now. You can describe features in natural language and watch them appear. Templates are more sophisticated. Integration options are endless. The community is massive. So when you get stuck, help is readily available. In 2024, 72% of startups use no-code tools to launch. By now, it's become the default choice for non-technical founders. The barrier to entry for entrepreneurship has never been lower. Your next move. The question isn't whether you can build a startup without coding. It's whether you're willing to start. Pick a problem that frustrates you or people you know. Choose a no-code platform and spend one weekend building a basic version. Launch it, even if it's imperfect. Get feedback, iterate, and improve. The tools are ready. The cost is minimal. The only thing missing is your decision to begin.